Getting consistent social engagement through partners is hard. Content gets stuck in email threads, partners post inconsistently, and you lose visibility into what's actually being shared and what's working. ZINFI Social Syndication Management lets you distribute ready-to-share social content to your channel ecosystem, enabling partners to auto-stream or customize posts, publish instantly, or schedule ahead and track performance from one platform. Admins can quickly connect corporate social accounts, link company pages, and manage renewals, making it easy to activate distribution across platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and X or Twitter. Create campaign-aligned posts with built-in controls. Choose who the post is for, pick the platform and format, add links with short URL support, set expiration dates, and publish content for partner syndication. Partners can pick approved content, post instantly with Quick Post, or schedule for the perfect time zone and track what's been posted across their social profiles and pages. Want always-on distribution? Partners can configure auto-post settings by selecting social accounts and company pages to automatically post campaign content, reducing manual work while keeping engagement consistent. ZINFI's social report delivers clear performance insights across syndicated posts, including campaign-level analysis with filters by company, user, and date range. With ZINFI Social Syndication Management, you can distribute approved content at scale, empower partners to post instantly or schedule ahead, automate always-on campaigns, and track real performance, all from one platform.